Hello everyone, I am Garima and on behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I welcome you all to the most interesting and successful idea sharing platform ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiatives. We are going to discuss about so many unique ideas that we are going to that we can incorporate in our classroom lessons to make the learning journey fun, interesting and comfortable for the child. The idea that I am going to present today is self-created dictionary. I have incorporated this idea with UP board subject English class 4 chapter 14, Never Lose Hope. The innovation here is to enhance the vocabulary of the students based on the concepts associated to the chapter through the formation of a dictionary in the due course of time. The duration is as per the requirement. The concepts that can be covered and revised through self-created dictionary are vocabulary and describing words. Ensure that the reading, building and explanation of the story and various concepts have been done before providing the students self-created dictionary. The educator may ask students to read the lesson Never Lose Hope and note down all the difficult words in an old notebook. The students will then be instructed to find and note down the meaning of these words by inquiring the same from their family members or by consulting a dictionary. For example, confidently, succeed, proud, etc. The students confidently means आत्मविश्वास से भरपूर, succeed means सफल होना, proud means गर्वंत proud means गर्वंतित. Conclude by appreciating the students and motivating them to study. Through this innovative idea implementation, the following learning outcomes can be achieved, such as inferring the meaning of unfamiliar words by reading them in context, use a dictionary to find out spelling and meaning, writing or typing, dictation of short paragraphs, that is 7 to 8 sentences. More questions can be framed as per different concepts from the lesson and class strength. Core life skills that can be imparted while playing this game are critical thinking, decision making and effective communication. Values that can be touched upon are patience, that is ability to wait or continue doing something despite difficulties, and gratitude, that is showing respect and appreciation to others. Children with learning disabilities show improvement in executive functioning like planning, self-monitoring, etc. Spatial memory tasks related such as locating and walking up improves the perceptual understanding in terms of discriminating and similar looking letters and numbers on the grid and responding to them. Slow learners will be motivated to participate and learn through homework. This activity will help in improving their confidence. As the demand of the game, children with ADHD will avoid reacting impulsively and talking excessively. They will learn to control themselves in better way. So this was all about the idea self-created dictionary. To know more about such innovative ideas that you can incorporate in your classroom lessons, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel ZIIEI and also like our Facebook page. Thank you.